So this product was given to me to give my honest review on, and these are replacement ink cartridges for your Epson printer. It only works for certain Epson printers, so please like read the description of this product to see if it works for yours. Because there's like a lot of printers anyways. And also, it's so great that you can find it like an alternative, because ink like from the brand is pretty expensive. So for the price, you get like a pretty good deal on these. And I really like how it comes with all these instructions that, like, if you have print quality issues, how to install it, and all that. And also comes with warranty on it as well, so which is very nice. And you just have to register your product. But yes, this is how they look, as you can see here. This is the black one. This one was the cyan one, and this is the yellow one. And this is the magenta one. So yeah, I definitely do recommend these, because any way to get like still use your printer without like spending so much money